All right, so here we go with our 10 RV question challenge.
4?
I did 4. I don't know what that means.
We were challenged by Sunset Seekers, which we will link below. Great channel, you need to check them out, to do the RV question challenge.
And we're gonna do it different. Shocker. We're gonna do it Jeopardy style. We are gonna give you the answers to the questions first, and then you are gonna guess what the question is. Number 1, my answer to the question would probably be a slide out in the RV.
And my answer would be a bathroom that you can access from the bedroom and the hall. Yeah, I would change that too, from a jackknife couch to a regular size pull-out, like a regular bed.
Okay, what is the question? It would be...
What's the one thing you would change about your RV?
So here we go with the answer to the question, number 2.
I'll do it. Let me talk.
I'm sorry. All right, so here we go. Here's the answer for number 2.
All of the little things you have to purchase, like hoses and plugs and water regulators and water filters and
just everything. It's just crazy.
Toilet tabs.
Yeah. And so what is the question to our answer?
The answer to the question. Not what's the question.
What's the answer to the question?
So what is the answer to the question? Wait a minute. Okay. So what is the question to the answer?
What are some things you didn't expect when purchasing an RV?
Exactly.
Does that make sense, Maddie? Is all this making sense, or are we just rambling?
No, it's cool. All right, here is the answer to question number 3. We need a tall ceiling.
We wanted a walk around bed.
Oh, yes, we wanted a sink that was in the bathroom.
So we didn't have to brush our teeth in the kitchen area.
Exactly right. So what is the answer to this question?
No, the question to the answer.
Question to the answer would be?
The deciding factor in purchasing this RV. So number 4.
Number 4. What is the answer to the question?
My answer for this question is bacon for breakfast.
And mine's going to be simplicity to the max, which is going to be a hot dog with mustard and a white bun. And that's it. So what do you think the question is?
What's your favorite camping meal?
Favorite camping meal. Yep.
Okay, so number 5, the answer.
Well, my answer is none really. Whatever.
Okay.
Whatever's.
Cut.
Whatever.
No. Number 5.
Here is the answer to the question, and that would be anywhere I go. Nothing specific really. Wherever we go, that's beautiful for me.
He's a very simple man.
I am.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yours?
And I really want to go to the Florida Keys. Camper or not, like I really do want to go down there.
Yeah.
So I think it'd be cool to camp down there.
I have to admit it'd be nice.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it'd be nice.
So that kind of gives you the question too.
Yeah.
You probably figured that one out. What's our like dream destination?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
And Mark wants to just be anywhere.
Anywhere, anytime. I'm good. All right, here we go with the answer to number 6. And I would say the answer to this question would be when you're out doing your sightseeing and you have a home base. It's like when you come back, you have a place that's your home. You know where everything is, and when you pull in, it's not like a hotel room. It's actually like a little home. You relax more, and you know.
Have your, like, this is kind of sounds weird, but like you have your linens.
Right.
They smell like home, you know.
Right.
Your towels.
Yeah.
Your, like Mark said, it's like your little home away from
little
home.
And that's my answer.
Yeah. And what's the question?
You didn't say yours yet.
I did. I said the same thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
So the question would be, wow.
Oscar wants to be in it. The question is, what's your favorite thing about camping?
Yeah, that's my favorite thing. All right, and here we go with question number, actually, here we go. Okay, so we've had someone join us because he just can't stand to be away from me. That's Oscar. So
Velcro dog.
Yep, and so the answer to number 7 is, I forgot the question. Oh, okay, so the answer to this question would be the dumping of the black tanks. I don't like washing it when I get home. So that's my answers. And yours?
And mine, would be unloading at home. It's sad
Right.
for one thing, and then every time I'm like, why did I pack so much stuff? Because then I just have to unload it and bring it back in the house. And,
Yeah.
and we try to be very diligent about
We do.
unpacking it totally, cleaning it,
Yes.
and Mark washes it. Sometimes it happens the
Right.
next day, but most of the time we try to do that when we get home.
And then we cover it. Right. So the answer, the question
Is-
to the answer is
our least favorite thing about RVing.
least favorite thing about RVing. Yep. Okay, so here goes the answer to question number 8. And we are in congruency. Was that a word? We would like to have a slide out.
Or two.
Or 2 opposing slide outs mostly, right?
I would like it to be a little bit longer. We don't need a huge long 50-foot trailer, but
No.
right now it's 21.
Right.
I would like 25 or 26.
Yep, and I'd like to have one of the rounded bathroom shower stalls.
Yeah.
You know, instead of the curtain that sticks on you and it's cold. You know that one?
We maybe or may not want a 5th wheel. We would have to buy a new truck, and so we're
Right.
kind of on the fence with that.
Yep, and we'd like to have an entrance to the bathroom and the bedroom. You know, so you can go from the bedroom, you can go to the bathroom without going in the hallway.
Yeah. We want to have a sofa
Yeah.
that pulls out into a bed, a normal
Right.
bed, so our
Yep.
kids can come and camp if they want to, and
Yeah.
then also 2 chairs.
Yes,
Yeah,
because she likes to sit in a chair and I like to get horizontal.
He likes to, yeah.
Yeah.
Question number 8, wish list for our next RV.
Okay, so here is the answer to the next question.
Number 9.
And I would say coffee in the morning. I mean, really.
And I would say
it's-
Corona Premier with lime. Because I can't drink real beer anymore.
I'll have a better time without it, actually, because I've got that kind of mind, you know. So I don't know. I like the coffee in the morning better, and in the afternoon, and at night with every meal, essentially. So I don't know. So what is the answer? I meant the question.
The question is your favorite adult beverage
Favorite adult beverage?
when you're camping.
Would that be coffee?
You just said coffee.
I know, but okay, that's an adult beverage.
Well, it's better than I don't want nothing. Nothing. I don't have an adult beverage. These are our answers to number 10.
To number 10.
Mine is a little campfire rocking chair, like a chair to go by the campfire that rocks.
We have a propane fire pit that we use, and I love it. It has these lava rocks in it, and we carry it in this metal wash tub kind of deal, and it's so easy because we don't want to make. I mean, for us personally, we don't want to make a fire. Sorry, sunset seekers.
The smoke really bothers us
Yeah,
both, so we can smell it from your campsite. That's okay. But
and we get bonus because we can smell it from others.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. But for ours, we just it's nothing more. Set it up, boom, light it up, and when there's a burn ban outside, we can use our fire pit.
I don't think we can.
I think we can. I think I've seen that before. Yeah, because
we'll
it's just
have
a
to check on
propane
that.
fire. But anyway, it's our fire pit. We use it all the time. We
Easy peasy.
love it. Okay, so now we want to shout out a channel that we are going to challenge. It's going to be
RV on the Wayside.
yes.
We want to hear your answers.
And if you haven't been there, go to their channel. I'm going to include what their channel looks like right here. You're going to like them and check out some of their videos. And he actually had done an impersonation of me.
It's pretty funny.
It's pretty funny. So check that one out.
Well, we can link that below.
Yeah, we will.
And the next channel we want to challenge to do this is called Adventures in Xanadu.
Yep.
And we'll link them below.
Yeah,
check them out.
Yeah, we're gonna like, oh, he's going X. I can't do it because Oscar's here. But yeah, so check out their channel. I'm gonna show you what their channel looks like right here. And go and check them out, watch some videos and comment, and we'll see what they have to say about this. And we want to shout out Sunset Seekers. Thank you for this challenge, and thank you for all the advice that you've given us.
Invaluable, yeah.
I mean,
Michael and Christy, they're awesome.
Awesome. If you haven't been to their channel, go ahead and check it out right now. I'm going to have it up here. We're going to have a link at the bottom of it. Super channel. You're going to really, really enjoy. He does some great campground stuff. All right, so there we go. Those are the questions
to the RV Challenge.
Yeah.
10. No, it's not
something
it. Something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Watch for our next video.